Welcome to our simple Naga family YouTube channel. Today is our last day in grandfather's house. So my mother is going to cook chicken for us. I will show you how they're made. Let's go. My mommy is cutting chicken and my father is carrying lots of it and frying.
Nice. Corn, nah.
I'm going to cut chicken.
Wow.
No. Yeah.
Just like two head, yeah.
Yeah. It's not good.
Corn smells like sweet corn.
Remember the one?
My brother is here is the best chicken. It's the best chicken. This is eggs. And this is perfect. Grandma is eating corn.
Which part you want to eat, Abu? Ha? Đốt dứa nè, thịt dứa mình đây.
Odo.
Acha. Im vắt thì được hơn đã. Sao mẹ lại hay thịt này? Mẹ. Okay.
My mother knows how to cook chicken very well. Today we're going to have this chicken.
Bring her that one.
Should I give to baby?
What?
So nice, huh? Wow. Good job.
Baby, tak się. Wiem, moja.
This one is it. This one is Amazon.
Okay.
Sorry, Paul.
Apa cah? Asal hot.
Apa cah lele sini?
Apa cah lele? Hi guys, my grandfather has big beak.
So.
This is for the 200 kg. Wow.
Now I'm going to boil squash with salt. Wait. Already good. Yeah. Nice.
We took bath and now we're going to eat food.
Mẹ Hồng ơi.
Hôm nay thì béo.
Khó đấy, mẹ đấy. Mẹ đấy.
Nó cho đi qua bắt chân nó mà tứa
Mẹ Hồng ơi. Chú ơi.
Tasty hả?
Chú biết không ạ? Wow. Mở ra đấy. Wow. Cho. Okay. Eat.
Very tasty. What happened?
I cannot ring the phone.
Don't watch phone.
Amen. Bye.
Rồi, nó chụp con gì? Chụp con gì?
Therefore, they can be care and stay with my cute brother. This video will be end here. Please support